This is my notebook paper acrylic chicken sticker. This is a very popular sticker. It's made um, with notebook paper. So um, I draw on the notebook paper and then I paint it with acrylic paint. And I really do like this chicken. Uh, I think it's because the notebook paper just reminds me of when I was in school, and it is just a lot of fun to sit there and draw on notebook paper, to doodle on notebook paper. So I call this my notebook paper acrylic painted chicken, and I use acrylic paints um, to paint some of these notebook paper stickers. This is a green acrylic paint, a lime green, of course yellow, kind of a gold acrylic paint, as well as the crown with the red, and underneath the neck, the red paint there as well. Now, I've done some more notebook paper stickers because these are so popular. So here is another one. Let me get this into the camera for you. This is a sky blue cat that is looking up at some bugs in the sky. It's not exactly sky blue, but it's a form of a blue acrylic paint that I've used. It comes out a little different on the camera the way it looks. But again, see, there's a notebook paper, and it's just, times that I'm sitting around not doing much, I'll start doodling or drawing on notebook paper. And I thought one day, you know what, this would be great to paint as well. And it just has just a lot of memory of being in grade school, high school, just sitting there doodling. Really doesn't matter what grade. Anybody can doodle on notebook paper. And here's another one that I've done most recently. I just love this acrylic paint color. It's a pastel, a greenish look to it. And then, of course, the sun in the background. And there's just pencil marks for the sun rays. And so I call it my notebook paper green cat, looking toward the sun. And then I have another one that has been really popular. That is my notebook paper Penu. This one was really a lot of fun to draw. Just as the chicken was a lot of fun to draw too. I think these are my two most favorite ones so far that I have drawn. And of course, have the Penu who, it's like standing in some sand and there's water behind him. And the body, I left the body open rather than coloring that white to show the notebook paper. So this one has been very popular. And then there's one more that I have, that I drew, and that's my notebook paper watercolor cat sticker. So I drew him on notebook paper, and then this is watercolor that I used blue watercolor in the tail, some yellow watercolor on the body and the face. And so this is my most recent one, and he's really he was really fun to draw, to cut out, and to work with. Now all of these are on my YouTube site, and I have many other stickers that I've colored on that site that I use acrylic paint or watercolor to draw, finish up the stickers. But I just wanted to jump on really quick and show you guys some of the notebook paper stickers that I've done. And if you're interested in buying some of these, leave a comment and at least I'll know that you guys like these as much as I do, and you would be interested maybe in, getting one or two. Thank you so much for taking the time to look at my video, and thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for subscribing, and I'm going to go ahead and end the video. You guys, y'all have a great day.